I was a cab driver for over 20 years. One night, around 2 a.m., I got a call to pick up a passenger from a quiet neighborhood. When I arrived, the house was dark. I almost drove away, assuming it was a mistake, but something told me to wait. After a minute, the door opened. A small, elderly woman stood there with a worn-out suitcase. She looked tired and fragile. I walked up to help her. She said, "Could you drive me through the city for a while before we go?" I hesitated. My shift was nearly over. "It's just, I'm going to the hospice," she added softly. "I won't be coming back. I'd like to see some places one last time." Something in her voice stopped me. I nodded. For almost 2 hours, I drove her around the sleeping city. She pointed to a building and said, "That used to be my dance studio." A few blocks later, "There's the bakery where I worked when I was 20. At the riverbank," she whispered. "I came here with my husband every Sunday." She didn't say much, just stared out the window, quietly reliving her life. Finally, we arrived at the hospice. As I helped her out, she gripped my hand and said, when they reached the hospice, she hugged me and said, "Thank you for the last ride of my life." I couldn't speak. I just nodded. And as I drove away, I realized that ride wasn't just a service. It was a privilege. I never saw her again, but that cab ride changed my understanding of what service truly means. It's not always in helping many, sometimes, it's in being there fully for just one. Glowing star moral: true service doesn't always require money or applause. Sometimes, it's just being present for someone when it matters most.